everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And yes, I'm bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. It was pretty good. It ended up being a moneymaker, which I was super excited for. I ended up having to buy a newspaper when I went into the store because I wanted to do the Sally Henson deal, and I'm like, I'm just gonna buy a newspaper. I pay with points, and what printed out was a Catalina. I lost it. I got a Catalina that printed off for a spend 25 get 10. So I'm like, sweet, I can use that. So I ended up using it towards this transaction, and then at the end of my transaction I had another Catalina print off. So I was super excited about that. One thing I do want to mention to you guys is a lot of you guys are starting to get your t-shirts. That is awesome. If you guys want to be in the video montage, I'm not going to do it for like another month because there is a second batch of t-shirts that people still haven't gotten yet. But definitely send me your shirts. If you guys can send it to me through Instagram, you can send it through me through Facebook, whatever way you guys can do it. And if you guys do need to send it through email, I do have an email address if you guys want to send it. But right now I'm wearing my new purple Coupon Addiction shirt, so I got it in purple and black, which I'm super awesome, and I do have the link below, and this does end on Tuesday, you guys. Tuesday by the end of the night, so everybody's in different time zones, so if you guys want to do this deal, do it. And I also got my sweatshirt. A lot of you guys got yours, but I got my hoodie. I mean, this thing looks huge, but when you put it on, it's not as big, but super soft. You guys really, really, really do love my shirts. So these will not be back. Either they'll not be back ever again, or they'll be back around the holidays, just giving you guys a heads up. But if you guys definitely want a shirt, get it now. I have the link below. And then if you guys have a shirt, or you are getting a shirt and you want to be in the little video montage, let me know, because I'm making a shirt with everybody wearing their shirts. So definitely get your shirts before it's too late. But enough with me jabbering. Let's just dig in, and I can show you guys all the deals that I got at Walgreens. I'm so excited about that deal that I am out of breath. Okay, so let's start again. Okay, so the deal that I got that you guys want to do, if you guys want to do this deal, now those coupons are only good for a couple weeks, so if you guys have those big coupons, definitely use them. They end on the 9th, and it's already the 22nd, so you got about 2 weeks to use them. So definitely, you know, start looking for pen deals. But these were $1.29. They had the black ones. I didn't see the blue ones, but they also had it in the colored ones. I do use the colored ones, but I plan on bringing these to work for the guys to use pens. But these were $1.29. You guys would want to use that $1 off coupon that we just got in today's paper. Getting these for 29 cents, which is a pretty good deal if you guys want to do that. I also ended up doing the Gelocity deal because I kind of like clickable pens, and I'm going to bring these to work so I can use these. But these were $2.99. You guys use that $1.50 off coupon that we got. You guys would end up getting these for just $1.49 a piece, which is an okay deal. So if you guys really like it, it's supposed to dry pretty fast, so I don't care. Good price for that. Now I ended up doing the Rimmel Brow deal. Sorry, I got stuff like all thrown out all over my table. I ended up doing the Rimmel Brow. Why can't I ever find anything? Okay, so here we go. So there's this situation. Now, if you guys know, I do get an employee discount. So me doing this deal, I couldn't do it because of the coupons that I had. So I'm just going to do it what you guys can do it. But those who are employees, just giving you guys a heads up, if you guys are employees, you guys want to do these, buy these four together in the same transaction for those coupons to work out in your favor. So just giving you guys a heads up. But these were $4.59. They are buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use two of the $2 off coupons that we got from like what, the 617 Smart Source or whatever. You guys would pay $2.88 for these, but then you get 3,000 points for buying two. Now this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points. These end up becoming a 12-cent moneymaker. So definitely do that if you guys really are interested in this. I have yet to use the Rimmel eyebrow pencils. I probably should. I've been using CoverGirl like crazy because I have blonde eyebrows. I know it's weird, but I have blonde eyebrows, so I thought maybe, you know, trying something different instead of the CoverGirl. And then I ended up getting the brow this way, which is just like it's kind of like eyeshadow for your eyebrows. These were $4.79. Again, buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use 2 of those $2 off coupons. You guys would end up paying $3.18. And you guys would get 3,000 points, making them 18 cents a piece. Now, for the employees, I'm sorry, you guys, I'm not trying to confuse you, but for the people who follow me that are employees, you guys want to use 2 $2 off coupons and 2 $1 off coupons to do this deal. So letting you guys know about that. So I just wanted to share with you guys. I'm not trying to confuse anybody, but just wanted to share with you guys on that. Now, I did the Garnier Fructis. I'm so sad that those coupons expired. I really wanted to use those coupons up unless, you know, but there'll be another opportunity. So these were 2 for $7. You guys want to use a digital coupon for $3 off of 2. Plus there is a $1 off of 1 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You scan it once, it'll take $2 off. You guys would just get these for $1 a piece, and I am like huge fan of Garnier Fructis. A lot of times we can get that stuff for free, but lately with the coupon limits, we haven't been able to get a lot of that stuff for free. So just wanted to share with you guys with that. Now, I did the Sally Hansen deal. I'm pretty excited about this deal. Part of me wants to kind of do this deal some more. But these are $9.99, okay? So you guys want to, and they're buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use 2 $3 off coupons that we just received. You guys would just pay $8.98 for both of these. But then you guys get 6,000 points. Now this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and you get points. So you guys will get 6,000 points. It comes out to be $2.98 or $1.50 a piece. And I thought these are great. I really actually do like the Sally Hansen nail polish. So I had to definitely get those. I ended up getting the small bag of Skittles. I'm sorry, you guys, I'm just a crazy mess today. I ended up getting the small bag of Skittles. Now, these were 2 for $1. There is a 50-cent off a 2 coupon that we got from, I can't even tell you, a while back ago, back in June. You guys would just get these for 50 cents for both of them or 25 cents a piece. Now, I had problems with those coupons scanning. I have problems with those coupons scanning every single time. So if your guys' store's having problems with entering coupons, don't worry about it. You're getting the right product. They just never scan. Ever. I don't know why they never scan. I also did the same deal, but I got Starburst because I feel like I can give these to work, you know, for the guys to snack on at work. So these were 2 for $4. 2 for $4. You guys want to use that $1 off a 2 coupon that we got. Plus there is a $1 off 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get these for $2 or $1 a piece. And I think that is a great deal for Starburst. So if you guys want to get that, go for it. I ended up doing the General Mills deal. Now, I saw somebody post a deal of getting 5 of them, but Walgreens is a place where if you don't buy what it says, you get charged more. So I'm like, okay, should I buy 5 of them or should I buy 6 of them? And I felt like I should buy 6 of them. I felt like it was a little bit of a better deal. So what I ended up getting is I got 6 General Mills cereal. I actually bought 5 of the Honey Nut Cheerios and I bought 1 of the regular Cheerios. Now the reason is because I like Honey Nut Cheerios, and you guys want to print off 2 of those $1 off of 2 coupons that we got from coupons.com. Plus, you guys also want to print off 2 of the 50-cent off of Honey Nut Cheerios off of coupons.com. So there's 4 coupons that you guys can use for these. You guys would end up paying $9 for 6 boxes of cereal, okay? But you guys will end up getting it's a secret register reward. It's not even tagged. But you guys will end up getting a $4 register reward for buying 5 of these. So you guys either got to buy 5 or 6 to get that register reward, okay? But you guys, after the $4 register reward, you guys end up getting 6 boxes for $5. That comes out to be 83 cents a piece, which I think is a very good deal on cereal for 83 cents. So I went crazy because I've been kind of craving Honey Nut Cheerios. So I got, you know, a lot of Cheerios. So wanted to share with you guys on that deal. So it depends on what you guys want to do. If you buy 5, it's going to be a little bit less out of pocket. But I feel like I don't know, I just prefer getting 6 because I felt like it was a little bit of a better deal. So it's up to you guys what you guys want to do. I ended up doing the Twix candy again. I had 1 more of those buy one get one free coupons. These were 2 for $1. Now we had those buy one free coupons from coupons.com a couple weeks ago. They're no longer available. They do end at the end of the month. So you guys have them use that coupon. It'll take 75 cents off. 75 cents off. So that means you get both of these for just a quarter for 2 candy bars. Now they're not for the normal Twix, they're for like the flavored. So there's like white chocolate, there's dark chocolate, and then I get the peanut butter because I know people in my family will eat the peanut butter, so I had to get those. I also ended up getting the Lysol bleach toilet bowl cleaner. Now these were $2.59. They're buy one, get one free. So you guys want to use those coupons. Now if you guys remember way months ago, they had hang tags for a lot of these. Well, what happens is I don't like take the hang tags off the product, but I ended up buying a lot of stuff and I always grab the stuff with the hang tags. Well, I found it in like my random cut up coupons. I found a hang tag that I had. So these, I used that 3 off of 4 hang tag coupon for the Lysol. So you guys will get 4 of them for $2.18. I think that's a pretty good deal. So you guys will get these for just 54 cents a piece. So if you guys are really into toilet bowl cleaner, I think 54 cents is a great deal. So check your stores and see if you guys even have those hang tags. Like look in the way back and stuff. They'll probably be around again, but they do expire in the next couple. I think they expire in September. I can't remember when they expire, but I don't know. But yes, that was my haul. I think I did pretty good. I got some food items, which I was pretty excited for. And I got some other stuff, you know, that I usually don't get. So yes, I'm going to try to possibly do another second haul for you guys. I didn't do a second haul for you guys last week because I just wasn't feeling it. I think last week was kind of a bad week for couponing. And again, as you guys know, all my situation, I'm just not into big shopping at Walgreens at my normal store that I shop at on Tuesdays. I shop at a store that I like. I shop at 2 different Walgreens, one on Sunday and a different one on Tuesday. But the one on Sunday, I should go to the one that I go to, but every store sometimes has different product, and I know what store has what. So I don't know. I may or may not do a second haul for you guys. Most likely I will try. There was a couple deals that I do want to do. I especially want to see if I can do the Sally Hansen deal again. But my total came to $24.71. With that Catalina included, I ended up getting 27,000 points back. I got 6,000, so 3,000 each of the Rimmel, so that's 6,000. I got 6,000 for the Sally Hansen. I also got 5,000 for Hitting Beauty, and then I got the 10,000 for using that Catalina. So that's 27,000 points that I get from Walgreens, which is equivalent to $29. Now, if you guys ever look at the back of the receipt, which I don't have one, but the back of the receipt, it shows that 18,000 points is $20. So if you guys figure that out, that's how I got $29 worth of points. I also received a $4 register reward for the General Mills cereal. So everything came out to be an $8.29 moneymaker. I was like, man, this is going to be a bad week to shop at Walgreens, but it ended up being pretty good, you know, with some of the deals. And beauty, I love it when this stuff counts as beauty. Like right here, this is $15 that counts for beauty for you guys. So definitely, you know, figure something like that out. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to order your shirts if you guys really want shirts. A lot of you guys are messaging me, telling me you got them, you love them. Go for it. If you do have any problems, you can contact the company. They will help you. But Tuesday is the last and final day to open or to get your shirts. So definitely get them. I recommend them. I kind of want to get some more colors because I feel like this is all I will be wearing now when I go couponing. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. But please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already so you guys can see some awesome Walgreens hauls. And I will see you guys all again for another Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.